Let's take this up slowly. If you're still working away, you can ignore me like it normally happens. Okay, I'm sorry. All right. Austin, can you be brave and expand this for me, please? Go ahead.
Alright, so we got, I did multiply with 3 first. So 3 times bracket x cubed plus 2x squared h plus 2xh squared
Okay.
Plus h cubed.
Okay, hold on a sec. It's 3, not 2. I'm going to take a sec to go over this again. It's a good learning moment, as they say. Remember, okay, this is the way Pascal's triangle goes. 1, 1, 2, 1. Oh, sorry, 1, 1, 1. Do it properly. This is 0. Okay. So if you're going something to the power 3, like in this case, it's the coefficients are going to go 1, 3, 3, 1. And you just count down, like, you know what I mean? X is x cubed, x squared, x to the 1, and then x is 0. H's go h to the 0, h to the 1, h to the 0, h to the 0. Is this coming back for people other than were in my class? I know in my class we did this. I think Alistair, we did this, right? Yes. And Austin, I know we did this for sure in my class because you were 2 years ago. I guarantee we did that. Right? I know you're in that class, right? Yeah. Here, we use that example. It's no way they have math yet. All right. Chris, can you neaten up the top for me, please?
Okay, so I don't know if it's neatening, but negative 3x cubed minus 9x squared h minus 9xh squared minus 3h cubed plus 2x plus 2h plus 3x cubed minus 2.
Okay, now before people, thank you. Before people start freaking out and saying, oh my goodness, Mr. Sadler, I've never seen this many X's and H's in a question ever. Well, my name's Caleb, and I have to turn your page sideways. That's okay, Caleb, that's what you have to do, right? This, unfortunately, isn't the worst thing you're going to get in this course, or even today, right? So, you have to be comfortable with messy equations in this course, all right? You guys can do this. Have confidence in yourselves, okay? Remember in these questions, it starts off nice, it gets messy in the middle, and then it gets nice at the end again. Okay, that's, remember what we do. All right, you, what cancels here, if anything?
Equal minus 9x squared.
Okay, yeah, I'm just going to cancel here, but yeah, right on. So that crosses, and that crosses, and then I'll write it out, okay? So just like before, you always stay with me here, please. Yes? Anything on the right-hand side, that's what you cancel, okay? I'm going to scroll this down a little bit. Hopefully the top is okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. And this e equals h which 0. As u was starting to say negative 9x squared h minus 9x h squared minus 3h cubed plus 2h all over h. But that was a lot of algebra we did. Okay, but this is starting to feel good, I hope. Hope you're looking at this, you're saying to yourself, this is nice. A little bit. Nicole, why are we happy at this moment? H's are all gone, right? So anything that has an h, a single h, I can get rid of. So it's going to be negative 9x squared minus 9xh minus 3h squared plus 2. Luke, we're almost done. What's my final answer going to be then?
Oh, it's 7, 0?
Yeah, 7, 0, which means this is going to cancel because there's an h, and this is going to cancel. So therefore, f prime of x is equal to negative 9x squared plus 2, which is pretty awesome. Again, again, I'm a math teacher, so I think algebra is awesome. Let's just make sure once you guys are done scribbling, which will take a second, I'm going to go back to the graphing program just to see if it actually happens the way I wanted it to. Okay? Negative 9x squared plus 2. Here we go. And look what happened there. Okay? Right where this graph had a 0, that's 0 right there. Okay? Then again here, this graph is going to be 0 again there, opening downwards again. It's a negative slope getting less negative, okay, and then a positive slope, positive, positive, and getting more negative all the way through, okay? All right, let's get on to something difficult now. You guys ready for a challenge? Or not yet? You want the easy one first, and we'll do the hard one? Hard one first? Yeah. I'm giving the hard one first, people are going to cry. Let's start with the easy one. All right, Derek, what's the limit statement, please, for f prime of x?
Isn't always then over x approaches, or h approaches 0.
Yeah, go ahead.
And that'll be f of x plus h minus f of x over h.
Now, somebody's going to say to me, Mr. Sadler, I need to write that every time. The answer is yes. Okay? You have to treat math class like you're explaining these to your grandmother. Unless your grandmother is a mathematics professor, then pretend like you're explaining it to your grandfather. Okay, right? Unless he's a physics expert. Let's pretend those things aren't the case, though, okay? But you have to explain to them so it's clear for them to follow. All right, Tori, can you sub it in for me, please? Go ahead.
So then it's going to be, sorry, I don't know.
No, it's okay.
Can I pass?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's okay. Matt, go ahead.
It's gonna pass.
Well, there's 2 passes, Matt, and we swore on taking one here. That's what that means. All right, Nathan, what is that from x plus h? And that's 3 passes in a row, which means I'm taking this one. Now, if you're passing because you're afraid of getting something wrong, don't worry. I get things wrong all the time. And whenever I put down something wrong, you guys are like, hey, Mr. Sadler, was that supposed to be X? And I don't feel bad about myself. So don't worry about it, okay? It's okay. All right, now, Hannah, when you're looking at this question, it looks awful to me. Like, I'm looking at this and I'm saying, yuck. How can I fix this one up? What do I do? Simplify it. Okay, go ahead.
You multiply by the
Yeah. Complex conjugate, I think is the word, yeah. I'm going to expand the brackets out and then multiply by the complex conjugate. Okay. Now, the idea was after doing all those limits, this should hopefully not be too frightening to you. That's the dream. James, can you simplify the top for me? Do not be afraid, you can do this. Go ahead. Yeah, Flora, go ahead.
3x plus 3h minus 2.
Yes? Is it okay if I skip those? I skip the middle ones or no?
Yes.
Is that okay? Okay, what's the last one gonna be then?
3x minus 2.
Yeah, it's gonna be minus sign over here. Is that okay, guys? Is that guys, you know what's supposed to happen there? For the foiling? Right, what you would have ended up getting is plus this times this, and then minus this times this, they'll cancel. Okay, and that's all over h. Root of 3x plus 3h minus 2 plus root of 3x minus 2. Okay. Alistair, this is starting to look good. What do we do to make it look better?
3 over 3.
Yeah, so this is 3h all on the bottom. Now, if you're saying, wow, Alistair's amazing at math, first of all, he is. Okay, but secondly, how we got that numerator was that turns to a negative 3x, so that cancels here, and that turns to a positive 2, so that cancels here. Right? All right. Emma, why are we happy at this moment in time? It's funny, you got the same question last time, and you got the same question last time. It's amazing how that works. Very important. The h's do in fact cancel. So we're going to have equals, limit, h approaches 0, 3 all over that mess. Okay. Kaylee, to finish off, what's my final answer going to be, please?
Like, the final answer?
Yeah. Or tell us to, yeah, go ahead.
Wait, you just saw them at 0.
Yeah, so 0 goes in for here. So what's my answer going to be then?
Go, like, 3 over 0 at 3x minus 2 plus go 2x minus 2 and then
Good?
then I just do like 3 over 2 or 3x.
Awesome. Wonderful. Tremendous Eve. Outstanding Eve. Wonderful. Okay? This is awesome algebra that you're doing here. Okay? And remember, I keep saying to you guys are awesome students. Remember that. This is not an easy question, what you just did. I said, yeah, no problem, let's go. That's just because my meds have finally kicked in and my energy back. Okay, which is good. But this is not easy, this is more than what you did here, remember that. Okay, but you guys have the tools, the ability to actually do it. I'm going to write your homework on the board because I don't know what time the bell's going to click on me. We have one more awesome question, which I'll do tomorrow. Okay, your homework for tonight is, your textbook again. Ah! You mean whoa? This is calculus. This is calculus. I told you 16 and 9 minutes tonight. Yeah. You want to practice this. What you do, if you actually do these, you will get to see it.
Yeah, that's going to work.
And once you go to these, to see it.
What? You did 280 plus this E as it is. That made me more bad.
Have a good day.